Also, this is one of the places where you can find some fuses. Alright guys, back at it again with another video. Today I'm gonna try to find the fuse that controls this USB outlet here. This one is on a different circuit because this one still works, and the one over here, that one still works, but this is not working. I have a portable refrigerator, as you can see right here. This is working, and the reason why this is working because there's another plug right here in the back of my truck right here. So this is on a different fuse. So I used to have my fridge plugged up in the front, and I guess because I normally keep my fridge right here, so this was the closest outlet for me to plug it in, and it just stopped working one day. So I don't know if the fridge overloaded, or I just saw that like there's little slimy stuff in there. You see that? Like there's juice in there, sticky. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this out, because they have the cup holder right here, so if anything happens, any spillage, it goes right into these outlets. So I'm gonna wipe this out first, and then I'll go in the front and show you guys which fuse it is. Yeah, so if this fuse is not working, let's look down in there and see if there's anything blocking it, or any juice or any water that might have caused it to short out, because I think that might be the case, because I had my refrigerator plugged in for a while, you know, no problems, and then one day it just stopped working. So that might have been the problem. Putting juice right here and it went down in the hole. Looks a little bit better. All right, let me go in the front. Oh shit.
The number he's saying is the alternate number.
Let's pop the hood and see if we could figure out where this fuse is. So there's two nuts holding this fuse box cover together. There's one here and one over here, which I already started taking off earlier before I went and got the fuses. So you need to slide this off. Get out of here. And then you're gonna need a needle nose or some type of fuse puller to get that out. So let me go grab that. Alright, make sure the key's out of the ignition while you're doing this. But this fuse right here that says 20 amp, this is the fuse for the front USB. So let's go ahead and rock it out. It's nice and tight in there. Come on. Got it out. And let's check it before we do anything. So as you can see, you can hold it up to the light, and you can see focus. You can see it's burnt out right there. So you definitely know that this is a problem. Turn it on this side, you could clearly see the burnt out right there. And I've already went ahead and grabbed a fuse, and you can see that one is completely joined. So you know this one is good to go. So let's go ahead and pop this one in the hole. Alright, let's go ahead and push it down with my thumb. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure it's in there all the way. We have a good connection. You don't want to... There you go. So this is the bad one right here. Alright, let's go check it. Alright, I have my which fell down again. It's always falling down. My, what do you call it, camera right here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and plug it in. Oh, I already see power. So yep, I think we have it. Oh. Dash cam just powered on. So there you go, guys. That fuse right there, that was it. Simple, easy fix. And now all I gotta do is put my cover back on, put the 2 nuts back on, and then good to go. See you in the next one. Peace.